Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Today, guys, I have got a new confirmed spoiler for the BoxyLuxe June box. So I'm going to go ahead and let y'all see them because I don't like wasting nobody's time. And I know I'm always eager to see spoilers anytime. I'm up for it anytime. So this is going to be a variation. You will be getting one of these two. You'll either get the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast, which is a styling spray. This is valued at $29. Or you will be getting the Living Proof Full Thickening Cream. This one is valued at $28. Look like some really cool products. And then again, the rest of them, you will be getting the Pharmacy Beauty Honeymoon Glow, the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Chlorophyll Cleanser, or the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Primer. At least I believe that was, I found all these at Boxycharm Sneak Peek. And then of course the PYT Hair. This is the Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer, and this will come in shades of pink, purple, blue, or coral, so you will be getting one of those. And then of course the Tarte palettes, and you should have received your email this morning if you are a BoxyLuxe subscriber, and they are letting you choose which palette you want. So you know it's either going to be the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Blush Palette, or the Tarte Pro Glow Contour and Highlight, or the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette. Now this is exclusive to Boxycharm, and just, we already know what it looks like. I think it's gorgeous. I love it. So anyways, guys, that is the spoilers so far for the BoxyLuxe June box. So I will keep you updated if anything else gets released. So make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. Doesn't really matter as long as YouTube sees you're watching my videos. And also, guys, one more thing before you go, hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.